Hey there. So, do you find that your skin is crystal clear, supple, and bright as you age? Now, today I'm going to start breaking down how our Evoq skincare is scientifically studied and curated to establish health on all four layers of your dermis. Now, the core four are represented through the seed, sea, sky, and stem. Today's short debrief starts at the top with the stratum corneum and evokes biomimetic seed oils. Now, oil is fundamental principle for an effective skincare line. The outer layer of your skin requires gentle exfoliation while maintaining your barrier health. So seed oils lock in moisture, repair and sustain and protect your skin's lipid barrier. Because your skin is repellent of water, so your skin must incorporate an oil-soluble carrier to penetrate to get into the skin. Now enter Evoq's 10x seed oils. Our moisturizing hero products ensure a lipid-based delivery system with vitamin C esters to piggyback and to communicate with your dermis. And another important note is that most oils on the market are really, really poor quality. So by avoiding heating extractions and other degrading oils, we use cold press oils. And in fact, our ultra hydrating antioxidant facial oil is research backed by the University of Minnesota, and the results are 10x the effect on the skin, the way that we synergize the high auric value and the antioxidant score in the skin line. So in conclusion, seed and plant oil based in vitamins, proteins, and rich oils keep your skin supple and toned. So visit Evoq Beauty, EVOQ to learn more about our Evoq seed oil to really replenish that top layer of the skin so that you are making sure that you age gracefully and optimally. I got you covered. Visit Evoq Beauty, EVOQbeauty.com, and go ahead and search for the ultra hydrating antioxidant oil. All right, we'll see you on the next episode.